Sorry for my radio, and this is part 6 again, so let's go clean it up. Putting away the thing, so let's put that there, and this squishy. They're putting them there. But there we go. Aha. Wait a sec. So we're putting the markers. Where's the other marker? Oh yeah, there he is. So I was thinking. Putting back all the pencils back. Okay, so let's put that here. It's that. So yeah, let's go close this up. This will not happen again. So, lagay natin yung kanyang space. Yan. Ito yung water bottle ko na Aqua Flask. Bili na lang kayo dyan sa baba nang meron nyo makikita na Aqua Flask store. Doon na lang niyo ibili. So, ay, almost fell, guys. So, guys, watch me pag-drink ng water. At mamaya pa, sobrang cool pa to at high quality, kanyan. At sobrang, talaga, like mga 8 hours siya naglalamig pa. Pero sa pag overnight siya na hindi pa hinugasan, hindi na siya malamig. Drink tayo. Guys, kanina pa to sa mga 11. Malamig pa. Bye! Bye! Bye!